Did you know that as we cross the 40-year mark, our body undergoes changes that can either accelerate aging or potentially reverse it? Yes, the stakes are that high. And if you've been practicing intermittent fasting without adjusting it for your age, you could be doing more harm than good. By not tailoring your fasting strategies for your age group, you're playing with fire. The risk: accelerated muscle loss, hormonal imbalances, and even a slowed metabolism. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we're diving deep into the adjustments and strategies crucial for those over 40. Let's ensure you're not only aging gracefully, but also unlocking the full power of intermittent fasting tailored just for you. Let's start with understanding the changes after 40. As we age, our bodies undergo significant hormonal changes. For instance, men may experience a decrease in testosterone, while women undergo shifts in estrogen and progesterone levels, especially during the menopause transition. Alongside hormonal changes, there are also alterations in enzyme production and activity. Enzymes, which facilitate various biochemical reactions in the body, can see a decrease in both numbers and efficiency as we age. One notable example is the reduction in digestive enzymes, which can impact nutrient absorption. What is the impact on metabolism and overall health? These hormonal and enzymatic changes can lead to a slower metabolism, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. A slowed metabolism can also lead to decreased energy levels, making individuals feel more fatigued. As nutrient absorption becomes less efficient, the body may become deficient in certain vitamins and minerals, potentially leading to various health issues. How do you start adjusting fasting periods? For individuals over 40, engaging in longer fasts, like a 20-hour fast 3 to 4 times a week, may be more beneficial than the commonly practiced 16, 8 daily fasts. These longer fasts give the body an extended break from digesting and metabolizing food, allowing it to focus on repair and regeneration. What is the science of telomere lengthening? Telomeres are the protective caps at the end of our DNA strands. Their length can serve as an indicator of biological age, with shorter telomeres being associated with aging and age-related diseases. Prolonged fasting periods have been suggested to stimulate the enzyme telomerase, which can lengthen telomeres and potentially delay the aging process. HGH and its benefits. Human growth hormone, HGH, plays a pivotal role in muscle growth, tissue repair, and maintaining optimal health. During longer fasting periods, the body experiences significant spikes in HGH production. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals over 40, as it aids in muscle retention, recovery after physical exertion, and overall well-being. Here are some tips during fasting. During fasting, it's vital to stay hydrated. Water is, of course, the top choice. However, if you need a little flavor or caffeine boost, black coffee, black tea, and green tea are excellent options. They provide antioxidants and other health benefits without breaking your fast. Increasing sodium intake during a fast is crucial for those over 40. Sodium helps maintain the body's electrolyte balance, preventing symptoms like dizziness or fatigue that can sometimes accompany fasting. While caffeine can be beneficial, it's essential to consume it earlier in the day. This approach helps avoid potential adrenal fatigue and ensures that caffeine doesn't interfere with nighttime sleep. Exercising while fasting can amplify fat loss as the body taps into fat reserves for energy. For older individuals, it might be beneficial to opt for lower-intensity workouts, such as walking or light-strength training, to prevent undue stress on the joints and muscles. While it might seem counterintuitive, taking certain vitamins and supplements, especially antioxidants like vitamin C and vitamin E, during fasting can counteract the stress and cellular cleanup, autophagy, that fasting induces. Browse our natural supplements range that meet your specific needs. Link in the description. Tips on breaking the fast. When breaking a fast, especially after a long duration, it's wise to start with a small meal that's rich in protein. Protein assists in muscle repair and provides a sense of satiety, preventing immediate overconsumption. Wait for about 1 to 3 hours after the initial protein-rich meal before consuming a larger, more comprehensive meal. This spacing helps regulate blood sugar and reduces the risk of overeating. As we age, muscle atrophy, loss, becomes a concern. Ensuring a higher protein intake can aid in muscle retention and growth, counteracting the natural decline. Prebiotic fibers feed our beneficial gut bacteria, including foods like artichokes, asparagus, bok choy, and cabbage can foster a healthy gut biome. This can lead to improved digestion and reduced inflammation. Certain grains, especially those containing wheat germ agglutinin, WGA, can trigger inflammation and other digestive issues. It's advisable to limit these during fasting periods. Opt for non-grain starches like potatoes, sweet potatoes, plantains, beets, and parsnips. They provide necessary carbohydrates without the potential inflammatory effects of grains. Finally, let's talk about the nutritional guidelines. Regularly switching up protein sources, such as rotating between chicken, beef, fish, and plant-based proteins like pea protein, can promote a diverse gut bacteria population. Saturated fats have been demonized for years. However, it's inflammation, often from processed foods and poor lifestyle choices, that's the real health villain. When consumed in moderation and from healthy sources, saturated fats can be a beneficial part of one's diet. Both intermittent fasting and the ketogenic diet focus on fat metabolism. When combined, they can significantly amplify anti-inflammatory effects, offering enhanced health benefits. Iodine, abundant in seaweed, is essential for thyroid function. The thyroid regulates metabolism, and as we age, its efficiency can wane. Ensuring proper iodine intake can support healthy metabolism. Boron can help increase free testosterone in men, enhancing muscle growth, energy, and libido. Saw palmetto, on the other hand, can benefit both genders by preventing excessive testosterone conversion to DHT. Diindolylmethane, DIM, found in broccoli aids in metabolizing estrogen. Proper estrogen metabolism is vital for both men and women, especially as they age, to maintain hormonal balance. Absorb these essential reminders for long-term success. Continual dieting can lead to metabolic slowdown. Periodic diet breaks can reinvigorate the metabolism, ensuring consistent weight loss and muscle maintenance. This Matador study highlighted the benefits of intermittent dieting. It showed participants who took periodic breaks from their diet were more successful in long-term weight loss and muscle retention. Beyond the metabolic advantages, diet breaks can also offer psychological relief, making the fasting journey more sustainable and effective in the long run. Now that we've covered the ins and outs of intermittent fasting for those over 40, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried intermittent fasting? If so, what methods and schedules have worked best for you? Are there specific challenges you faced or perhaps unique insights you've gained along your fasting journey, especially as you've aged? Please share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, achieving optimal health and vitality is a journey, not a destination. With that said, there is no harm in liking, commenting, and hitting that subscribe button to get more health and wellness videos like this. Stay informed, stay healthy, and until next time, take care.